Artificial intelligence is reshaping the future of manufacturing. From predictive maintenance to intelligent automation, AI is transforming industrial operations, driving efficiency, contributing to problem solving, and enabling new levels of productivity. To lead this transformation, the workforce must be ready. Tomorrow's professionals must understand and apply AI in real machines, real systems, and in real time. Meet the AIT-400, the most advanced AI trainer for industrial applications developed by SMC International Training to meet the industry's training needs. A comprehensive training tool that immerses students in industrial AI applications, from machine learning to deep learning, with integrated libraries. The AIT-400 is the next-generation AI training system designed for technical education, engineering programs, and industrial workforce development. With the AIT-400, students can create, train, and deploy AI models in real industrial applications such as in machine vision recognition applications, acceleration predictions, outcome classifications, vision-based validations, and predictive maintenance applications. Real problems, powerful AI models. Learners will gain valuable hands-on experience on industrial devices. Built for Industry 4.0, the AIT-400 fuses operational technology with information technology, teaching students how to optimize processes, make data-driven decisions, and add intelligence at the edge, where AI delivers the most value. Experience with a comprehensive industrial AI trainer. Learn applied AI concepts, optimize real machines, and monitor data in real time through a practical and engaging learning platform. Empower them with the AIT-400 from SMC, where artificial intelligence meets industrial training.